Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to show you how to connect to Betaflight. That's right, you updated it like me and you're like, wait, where is it? Where did it go? Well, without any further ado, let's get started. We've got you covered. It's a bummer that they updated it, especially now it's a web app, but as you can see right here, it was over here, right on the right, but now it's over here on the left. So what you want to do is click on this drop menu. Make sure your drone's connected. You know it's connected if the lights are on and it's flashing and all that other good stuff. And then what we're going to do is click right there. You can select can't find my USB device, but it should be right there. See, it's paired. And as soon as you click connect, sort of. We make these videos so you don't have to. Welcome back to Everything That Glitches. Let's see, can't really plan that. There we go. And voila, as easy as 1, 2, 3. Looks like this needs to be aligned. Look, they even took away, where's my alignment? Oh, so I guess we just, only one button. No more duplicate effort. And that's pretty much it. Up is up, right is right, left is left, and all the other fun stuff. I'm pretty sure a lot of stuff has been moved around, it looks like. But that's pretty much it. Anyway, if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below. Or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe. And we'll see you all next time.